Jeff from Mantiques Network, how you doing today? I feel a bit of a horse's ass for starting a video off this way, but if you will. Anyways, this is an example of the type of items that we're bringing in here that we consider have good bones. In other words, all the parts are there, a lot of the originality is there. So what we have here is a 1950s Sandy coin-operated kiddie ride, a horse ride that you would have seen back in our days. I'm dating myself because, well, there is no dating myself. I am what I am. You would have seen out inside of a Walgreens or some type of jewel grocery store. So anyways, this is what the Sandy looks like getting in there. I can't get really in. Let me walk around here and show you how pretty we're going to get that Sandy. And through here. We're also getting ready to ship out Julia's barber chairs today, and also getting ready to get our 1920s gas pump ready. So take a look at how beautiful these Sandys are coming out. Wish I would have turned the TV off, but I didn't. Look how beautiful this is. Jeff Sinclair is really doing a smoking job. All the definition to the horse. The saddle's been completely redone, customized real saddle on it, but just absolutely beautiful. And here's a darker version of it. Again, absolutely beautiful. These are work as horse. You would not see these out in front of the grocery store anymore. But if anybody's looking for some really interactive, cool art, this is for you. If you take a look back here, Julia's barber chairs, 1960s barber chairs that we had finished up, getting ready to ship those back to Crystal Lake, Illinois, so the ladies have something to use. And again, we'll be featuring this 1930s visible gas pump soon.
Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.